I am on a quest to find out if I like one single laundry hamper or if I like a laundry hamper with different compartments. And so I am going to do a comparison video of these two laundry hampers to tell you what I feel like I like better. I've tested out the Olldide black commercial size laundry hamper, and I really like how much this stores. I love that it's on wheels, and I really like that this can become its own bag. I also tested out another one on wheels, and this is also super easy to roll around. They both make it much easier than carrying around those big plastic baskets. Love that they're both on wheels. I also love that this can come out pretty easily. When comparing the two, these containers come out a lot easier than this giant bag. You have to unclip all of the sides to take this out. So I really like that you can just pick this up. But when I'm thinking about storage, especially having kids and a family full of laundry, I will say it's a lot easier and it stores more to have something big like this. I love the idea of the different compartments and the different ways to organize your laundry, but these bags end up being kind of small when having a lot of laundry at one time. So I would say if you're looking for something that helps you create a system that keeps you organized and that you're looking to sort your laundry better, this ROMOON 4-section laundry hamper is your go-to. It also is really narrow and can be stored really easily. If you're looking for something that's gonna hold more laundry, still be on wheels, and can be a bag if you want it and removable, I would go with something bigger like the Olldide. Either way, you can't go wrong.